Welcome! In front of me I have Acme ACT304 smartband, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. Before we start, if you want to adjust the screen brightness on this smartband, your smartband needs to be paired with a phone via the VeryFit Pro application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the VeryFit Pro application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. Let me close it and open it again actually. Like this. And once you open the app, you should see the home page. Now you can tap on the device icon to open the device page. And as you can see, my smartband is not synced with the phone yet because we don't have the info here. You can keep switching between the device and home page, and once the device page updates, right here it says when it was last synced, the remaining battery, version and stuff like that. Now the band is synced with our phone, so we can tap on the more option. And here we can select bracelet brightness. And we can select between 5 levels. We have level 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Select the level you like, for example 1, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. As you can see, the screen is quite dim. Now if I check the level 5, it should change and get brighter. So let's select it, tap on check mark. As you can see, the screen is a little bit brighter, like this. And once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.